Deleting multiple elements from a list. Is it possible to delete multiple elements from a list at the same time? If I want to delete elements at index 0 and 2, and try something like del sumlist 0, followed by del sumlist 2, the second statement will actually delete sumlist 3. I suppose I could always delete the higher numbered elements first, but I'm hoping there is a better way.
You can use enumerate and remove the values whose index matches the indices you want to remove.
For some reason I don't like any of the answers here. Yes, they work, but strictly speaking most of them aren't deleting elements in a list, are they? But making a copy and then replacing the original one with the edited copy. Why not just delete the higher index first? Is there a reason for this? I would just do. If you really don't want to delete items backwards, then I guess you should just decrement the indices values which are greater than the last deleted index. Can't really use the same index since you're having a different list, or use a copy of the list, which wouldn't be deleting but replacing the original with an edited copy. Am I missing something here? Any reason to not delete in the reverse order?
If you're deleting multiple non-adjacent items, then what you describe is the best way, and yes, be sure to start from the highest index. If your items are adjacent, you can use the slice assignment syntax.
You can use numpy.delete as follows. If you don't mind ending up with a numpy array at the end, you can leave out the doctolist. You should see some pretty major speed improvements, too, making this a more scalable solution. I haven't benchmarked it, but NumPy operations are compiled code written in either C or Fortran.